Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol IMMU. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that today was a very, very nice day. I can't imagine anybody arguing against that. Sure, the price did pull back here a little bit, but even where it closed relative to where it was yesterday, good solid day, no doubt about it. But that does lead to a question: is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength, or is this just some sort of kind of knee-jerk reaction type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single level. And to best illustrate this, I actually need to squish up the chart here a little bit. I guess I don't need to do it that much, so there we go. And the key level, in my mind, that really stands out is right here at $4.75. Why $4.75? Why is that so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with genuine strength, with true power, the price is going to progress forward over time. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly strong, it's not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about $4.75. Any sort of closes below it, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what is that doing to the price? That's putting the price right back to within this range where it already was. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price pulls back here, bounces around, and then heads back up. Even in a drastic case like that, what would we have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have this previous set of lows down there. If you picture each of these as stair steps, well, hey, you still have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And that's the name of the game, right? From the big picture perspective, that's what you want to see, progress as time goes by. So to me, 475, definitely the key level of support, going into next week. Now, what about areas of resistance? So I can zoom back in here now that you see where that green line's coming from. So let's talk resistance. There's really two levels that stand out. The first one is the fun one. Why do I call it the fun one? Well, everybody loves to talk about testing previous highs, potentially breaking new highs, and that's where 588 comes into play. So yes, 588 is a level of resistance, but in many cases, as is the case here, there's usually another bridge that first needs to be crossed. And in my mind, that first bridge is right here at about $5.65. So yeah, up there around 588, definitely a level of resistance. But before you start talking about that one, that first key hurdle that needs to be broken above is right there at 565. All in all, though, very nice day, very nice way to end the week. So it'll be interesting to see if the bulls can build upon this momentum next week. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a great weekend.